So let me show you guys what I got. It's gonna be a collective haul of a few things. Let me just fix y'all. Okay, so let me start with my most recent purchases, which are from today. Okay, so for the house, my thing for theme, like I don't really have like a theme per se, but I love leaves, pumpkins, even though I don't like pumpkin flavored stuff, but pumpkins, orange, sorry, burnt orange, yellows, reds, that type of stuff, like more like burgundy-ish, that type of stuff, like in terms of like color schemes or whatever, because again, as I said, I don't really have a theme. So that's kind of really what I'm trying to do, is kind of add those colors or things that say like fall or autumn to different parts of the house. For the room, I think all that I really am gonna do is try to find like trinkets and stuff that I can put like maybe like on the dresser, and then like maybe like the bedroom set, like try to find something fall inspired, maybe like a cute little throw or something like that, but we'll see. I don't really have anything for the room right now as of yet. But for the bathroom, I got this shower curtain. So this has like the hints of like orange a little bit in there, a little bit. I got that from this store, and then from the same store I also got this throw. It's like beige cotton, it has some texture to it. I love it. So I'm gonna put this on my couch. And then from the same store I found some cute like burnt orange like pillows or pillow covers. I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna get the pillows or just get the covers, but I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna get them. I just couldn't get them today because I left my bank card at home. So I bought what I could with the cash that I had on me, and that was that. So I got that from this store. I went to Michael's also. I had to get some stuff from Michael's. I had to get some vinyl because I have to make our new Save the Date shirts. So I got that. And then I was like, what could I do for the kitchen? Like I was trying to find some like fall like inspired like utensils and stuff like that. And as soon as I walked in, I went to the clearance section and I saw one. I feel like this set is supposed to have like so much more things because it just says 2-piece, but I don't know, I just feel like it's supposed to have more. But all their fall decor were 50% off, so this is what I got. And as you can see, again, as I said, it has the leaves. Like this is what like fall is to me. So I'm gonna try to find like a cute little container, maybe white or I don't know, maybe clear too, because you can see this in it. I don't know, I'm not 100% sure, but saw this. It was 50% off. The original price was $18.99, so it was 50% off of that. So I got that for the kitchen. And also today from HomeSense, as I mentioned, had a gift card from my bridal shower from 2020 that I have not used as of yet. And so I was like, okay, let me just go in and try to get some stuff that are like for the home or whatever. Let me see what I could get. So I got this. We already currently have the white one in the bathroom, but I was like, I want to change out, you know, whatever, and have like another one that I can use as well to kind of switch out like when I'm tired of just the white one. So I saw this one and I really love the color, and I think it's gonna go perfect with the shower curtain. Yes. So that is gonna be so nice for the bathroom. So I got that. It's a 2-piece. So I have one to go where the toilet is, and then one to either go where the sink is or where the bath shower is. It's a Chanel 2-piece bath rug by Purity Bath, and I got it at HomeSense for $29.90. $29.90? $29.99. So I got that. And what else did I get from HomeSense? Okay, so there's this girl that I follow on social media from Canada. She lives in Montreal, I believe it is. Yeah, Montreal. Her name is Darcia, and she always talks about this brand called DW when it comes to candles from like Marshalls or whatever the case may be. So I was like, I'm gonna look out for it because I was like, I want a fall inspired candle, and I'm just not going to Bath and Body Works because it's whatever. So I came across the same brand and I picked up a candle. It aesthetically matches the colors that I'm going for, and it also is a fall scent. It's pumpkin donut. It smells really, really good. And it was $9.99. So I picked up that, and I also picked up this organizer for my cupboard because I have a lot of things in the cupboard that I feel like I want to start like stacking and having it be organized rather than just having it like sit down like on the shelf in the cupboard. I'm trying to get a little bit more organizational. You guys know me, I am kind of pretty organized-ish in regards to things, but I'm really switching up things in the house now. I got two incomes that I can use, what I need to do now, so but yeah, I got this for the cabinet. I'm just gonna see how it works, and then if I like it, I'll get another one for the cabinet as well, or maybe another Lazy Susan that can go in my cupboard, because the Lazy Susan that I currently have right now is too big. I think it's maybe 9 inches, so I probably need like a 7-inch one that I can put in my cupboard that will actually close. So they have a few there, so I'll go back and I'll get one, and they were pretty reasonably priced also. This was $14.99, so I picked up one of these. They have this beautiful throw. I think it was from DKNY, but it was $40 and it was on clearance and there was no tag on it, and I had to wait so long just for them to find it because I really loved the color, but I was like, $40, nah. I'll go on Amazon and try to find something or something. But yeah, I got this tray. So I got this tray. So I'm gonna put this in the living room in the center, and then I'm just gonna fill it up with the candles, some other trinkets, maybe like a pumpkin. We have our remote thingy that we already have, so that will go in there as well. And whatever else that I need to fill it up with. Oh, I got something that I want to do a DIY with, like the DIY link chain thingy that everyone kind of has like on their center tables and stuff like that. I want to do one, but I want to do a cheaper version, cheaper version, very, very cheaper version. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll show you guys that as well. I'm gonna show you guys all the DIYs actually that I'm doing for Thanksgiving or for the house, so you guys will see that somewhat throughout this vlog. Okay, yesterday Babe and I went to the dollar store just to pick up some stuff for thanks. So I got this board. I have one from last year. I have it in the kitchen. Babe! Babe! Can you pass me the black sign? Please? Went to get some stuff. I bought this board because I thought I couldn't find the one that I used last year. And I was like, I'm going to use it as the menu display for Thanksgiving. So basically I was gonna paint it and then, like, you know, write Happy Thanksgiving like I did on the one that I had last year, but the one that I did last year just said Nyam because I didn't have time to do the whole menu thingy. But this year, thank you. Okay. But this year I will have the time, so what I'm actually gonna do is still use this one. I'm just gonna turn it around and use the other side, and then I will display the menu. And then for this, I'm going to write like Happy Thanksgiving. Yes, babe? Not yet. Alright. I'm gonna write Happy Thanksgiving on this and put it in the center of the table as well. So I got those signs for that. Well, that sign for that. I also picked up this sign that just says Hello Autumn. I think I might put this in the living room. I kind of liked how it looked in there, so I think I might put it somewhere sorry, in the living room. I got some pumpkins. I want to paint them a different orange. I feel like this orange is just way too bright and kiddie-ish. So I want to paint them a different orange and kind of paint the tops gold and stuff like that to kind of go with the theme of the house and stuff. But just to have them as decorative, you know, maybe put some words on them or something, or our initials or something. There's a DIY that I want to do with an actual pumpkin, so I gotta find that. There's a store by me that sells pumpkins for $3, the big ones. I think I'm gonna go back downstairs later and go see if I can get one. But yeah, this is some glass that I'm gonna do for a DIY that I want to do for the bathroom. I'm gonna show you guys when I'm doing it what I'm talking about, but I needed picture frames and some glass mirrors. I did the DIY before on the channel, but I want to revamp it and do it again. So yeah, got this. Well, Babe picked it up. He wants a lemon squeezer. I got this candle because I want to decorate it with some window clings and stuff like that. I'll show you guys exactly what I do with that. This vlog should be very interesting because there's going to be a lot of things going on in terms of preparing and then also just Thanksgiving. Got this. I don't know exactly where I'm going to put it. Maybe in the bathroom or even in the room. Never know. Let's see what happens. These are the picture frames that I'm going to use for the DIY that I'm going to put in the room. I had to get some 5x7s and I had to get some, what is this, 4x4s. So you guys will see that. And then I also got these for another DIY that I want to do because I want to make a wreath for my door. So I always do one for Christmas. I want to do one for fall as well. So I got that for that. Did I get anything else from Dollar Tree? Babe is gonna make some soup for Thanksgiving, so we got some soup cups. I got a new pack of ice trays, 2 come in a pack for $1.25. Ooh, I got this cute pumpkin. I don't know, I love the brown and the white. I loved how it looked. I could always spray paint it if I don't like it, but I like it, so got that. Oh, got this thankful, blessed sign. So I don't know, I could put this in the kitchen or I could put this in the room. I don't know, I got a whole bunch of signs and stuff like that, so I'm happy about that. And then I picked up some darker orange paint, so I'm gonna paint the pumpkins, see how they come out. And then these are just the rest of the picture frames that I have for DIY, which I'm gonna do a lot of the DIYs today, guys, so yeah. And then picked up some new flowers so that I can change out the flowers that I have currently in the bathroom. Like, guys, going off. So yeah, this is kind of what I want the bouquet to look like. Leaves, but a little bit of flowers, and then some berries also to give it a little accent. This is not gonna be the finish, but yeah, these were the ones that I got. So this is what I got to make it. I got 2 of these, and then 2 of the berries, and these 2 flowers as well. And then I have some other orange flowers that I'm going to throw in there as well and kind of pull it up and make it look really, really nice in the bathroom. This is for the DIY that I was talking about, for the link little, you know, the link little thing. So I'm just going to use this. I always said I'm going to wait until Halloween comes again to get it and then use it to make it. So I'm just going to spray paint this and then put it on my center table, baby. Yeah! Nobody can talk to me and tell me that I did not spend $50 on it when I'm done with it. Okay. Next is Zola Rama. I got the wreath ring that I need to make my wreath. I hope it comes out really, really cute. I want to actually get started on that today. I got some more pumpkins. I also need to go to Metro and pick up some of the, like, those smaller white ones and stuff like that. Like, I had a pack last year for Thanksgiving, the Thanksgiving table and stuff like that, but just as decor. It was really, really cute. Ooh, Babe picked up this from Dollarama also yesterday. This orange pumpkin that says grateful or thankful. They have a white one that says grateful. It was really, really nice too, but we liked the orange one, so got the orange. As you can see, orange is like the main attraction color. Got this also for the center table so the thing can go on top of it. It's a little placemat. I have a leaf one from last year, but I can't seem to find it, so picked up the pumpkin one because I said just in case I do find it, I don't want to have 2 of the same thing. I got this to go with the wreath to just add some leaves to it and stuff, because as I said, leaves are like the main, you know. These are the things that I said I wanted to add to the candle to kind of decorate it and stuff like that. And then maybe I could also put this in the center table thingy, or I can put that in the bathroom. I don't think I have a bathroom in the bathroom. I picked up this dishcloth set. So you see more leaves. Like this is the vibe with like maybe a little bit of yellow. Doesn't necessarily have to be in it, but this is like the vibe and like the color scheme. So got this for the kitchen. Some more stuff for the wreath. Some cloths of big ones. This is also for the wreath. I got some pine cones and I got some mini pumpkins and stuff like that. I'm going to put some on the wreath, and then any left over, I have these 2 jars that I'm thinking that I might want to fill with like pine cones and stuff like that, and like have them on like the entertainment stand. Pack of foam paintbrushes to do the pumpkins. Yes, there's this thing that I want to do at Thanksgiving dinner where I want everybody to write what they're grateful for. Like, I don't want everyone to come and forget like what the main reason behind Thanksgiving is. Like, yes, we're gonna have fun, yes, we're gonna eat a lot of food, you know what I'm saying, but at the same time, like, it's a time to, you know, like, just remember like what we're actually really thankful for. Like, we get this time off to be with friends and family. There's a lot to be thankful for because we're still here. A lot of people didn't make it to another Thanksgiving, so there's a lot to be grateful for. So I was telling Babe what I wanted to do because I want everyone to do it, and then we'll read them out loud, you know. And he saw these and he was just like, let's just get these and have everyone write on these. So got these I'm thankful for cards. 20 comes in a pack for $125, so we got that for the dinner, which was really, really good. I didn't have to bother making them. And then I got more leaves for the wreath. I can't wait to see that in the bowl. And I picked up some foil paper. Wow. Yeah, so what I'm about to do now is kind of just, I'm going to do the bathroom first because the bathroom is going to be the easiest thing. I'm going to switch out the stuff in the bathroom, change it out a little bit, and then go on and start working on some of the DIY projects that I have, and yeah, take it from there. So let's go. Alright, so y'all don't mind people man in the background here. I'm up on the phone when I'm ready for talk to him friend of mine, so I'm going. So anyways, I got the stuff for the bathroom. I'm so excited. My towel rod is like down a little bit, so I don't really know if I'm gonna be able to do what I need to do for that, but let's get the place looking. Oh, let me get the flowers. Hold on. Oh.
I'ma tell you this one time, boy, I want you to be mine. Can I come see you now? Can I lay with you outside? Can I touch your lips with mine? Cause I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel and believe that we in paradise. Cause I don't feel the ground. No, I don't feel the ground. But I'm feeling right. I tell you what it's all about. Cause you're making me feel this way. It's kinda like, whoa, oh, you make me feel it.
Ooh, okay, I like this. I like. Yeah, it's just giving like very Wow, nice. Yeah, and it's long. One thing I like about this place is shower curtains, they're very long. Them come all the way down. Normally, like I have shower curtains that stop like right up here. Yeah, no, me not like showing nothing. Me like just, yeah, me love that for me. Okay, so now these are currently the carpets, and I love this shower curtain. I feel like I'm not gonna throw it away, although the things that I have are kind of making this, but nobody's really gonna see this. But I'm not gonna throw it away because I freaking love it. And they have a black and silver one. I'm gonna go back for it, and a next black, white, and silver one. May I go back to, but I love this marble, and it was really, really nice. So yeah, these are currently the chenille carpets that we have. Absolutely love them. Like, they just feel so good on your feet. They're good in terms of like washing and reusing, because you could just throw them in the machine and them good again. So I love that for me. So yeah, I'm just gonna change out those for the new ones, and then yeah.
I look away from time to time. All I see is you right now. Just wanna lay with you all night. Feel your body next to mine. Boy, I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel and believe that we in paradise. 'Cause I don't feel the ground. No, I don't feel the ground. But I'm feeling right. I tell you what it's all about. 'Cause you're making me feel this way. And it's kinda like, oh, oh, you make me feel and believe me.
You guys, I love it. The color is just giving me, it's giving fall. It's giving the girls what it needs to be giving. I'm gonna put in my white bath towels. Tomorrow maybe I'll stop at Walmart. I'm not 100% sure. Let's see if I can get some other towels. I didn't see any in the color that I liked today anywhere. So I think I'll just stick with all white. Because there's still white in here. But for Thanksgiving, because I know people are going to want to dry their hands, I might try to find like an orange. Although this has the gray, but the gray that I have is lighter. If this gray was darker, it could have worked, but this is lighter. So I'm gonna use that. But so that's the bathroom so far. We got the ground, we got the shower curtain. So this is what we're looking like. And don't mind the, yes, love it. Okay, so let's do this flower stuff. See, like I have like these. This is currently the candle that's like really in here. Tiffany bought this for my birthday. So I have that in here. I don't really like this one little something. This is currently the hand soap. I feel like I gotta catch the next sale. If I can catch the sale before Thanksgiving, then I'll buy a fall inspired soap. And a fall inspired room spray too. But I'll leave this up there for now. I also have this in here, this rain. I don't know if you guys remember the Jamaican candle girl. But I have that. I don't know. Grateful. Or on top of the candle. I don't know. But I'm gonna take a while of that. Oh damn, there was nothing even in here anymore. This is too big. I'll be right back. Make a little square. Alright, that's good. Yeah. So now for the flowers. Start with these.
I do that 3 more times again, I testify for you. I thought I liked you, that bitch, I do it all, I won't cry, you get it. I'm not, long as you joking, now it's for me. I ain't got it, I've been skinning, do it. I your body, as long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I get lost when I'm with you. You, I'm not ballin' on you day one. We had you, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. I'll be poor when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just do it for me. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you.
Okay guys, so that's that. Ow! So good. Yes! It's giving fall. Okay. So that's that. Let me see if I can change out the flower. On this. Okay, so this, guys, now that that's done, so here we are. Oh my god, I just feel so grown up. Yeah, so this is what it's looking like. Okay, so I have this painting currently in my bathroom, right? It's black and gold. Love it, absolutely. It fits the bathroom. I just love it in the bathroom. So I made this paint, this DIY thing before, and if you guys want to see it, I'll link the card here somewhere, up here somewhere. But yeah, I want to make it over, but black and gold. And then, as I said, I bought the mirror, so I want to make that for the bathroom and kind of give that a little revamp with a little bit of artwork in there. So that's what I bought the frames to do for that. So that's that, and the bathroom is complete. So I'm gonna do that, and then when I'm done with that, I'll come back and I'll show you. Hopefully they come and they repair my light fixture thingy before Thanksgiving. If not, whatever. I didn't get to paint before Thanksgiving, whatever, but soon this will be all white, so everything will really just pop. But I like this. I don't know 100% if the grateful thing will stay there, but yeah, there's nowhere else for it to go. I have the mirror there currently. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'll put a little pumpkin there or something. I don't know, but yeah. So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna eat my dinner, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna clean up first this mess that I've made, and then I will move on to the next stuff, because it's still pretty early. So yeah, it's still pretty early. So yeah, I'll come back and let you guys know what's going on for the rest of the stuff. But as I said, I'm gonna clean up a little bit and then go eat and then get a little bit of energy and then go finish what I need to do. So I'll come catch up back with you guys in a bit, okay? Ugh. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start with the finishing up the bathroom stuff, just because I already started with the bathroom. So I'm gonna try to get this DIY done, because this is gonna have to kind of settle a little bit. So in the other one I used 8x10 frames, and I think 4x6 or 5x7 frames. So this one's gonna be a little bit smaller in size because I'm using 5x7 frames, but I'm gonna be making 2, and hopefully they can go together and look really, really nice. So yeah, I want to give my bathroom a little elevated look. So I got these mirrors that are gonna go in the 4x4 frames like this. So it still pulls in the gold and it still pulls in the silver, which, as you guys know, I work with both metallics in my apartment. So that's currently what you will need for this. If you want to do it the way that I seen it pictured, you'll need double the amount of what I have so that you can make 4 panels. But yeah, just depending on the size that you want to fill up or whatever the case may be, you'll know based off of making 1 how much you'll need. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open up all of my frames and take off the backing.
shifts is what I was made for. Don't you dare hit me back with no case, sure. Soon as I tell you that you the one I would wait for. You too saucy, too flossy. You moved in and moved off me. All the people niggas who just starting to move bossy. Maybe I just handled you too softly. Them boys got no police in their blood. If your whole heart wasn't in it, I know a people.
And there you have it, guys. So that's it. You know what I mean? Like, you guys would see this in the store and it would be $1 million. And I just made this for literally, if you want to make $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6 plus tax. Call it $8, $9, $10. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's that. So I'm gonna put these in the bathroom, and I think it's gonna go better with the painting that's in the bathroom, the canvas that's in the bathroom, because the canvas that's in the bathroom is also black and gold. So guys, next things up, I'm gonna try to, or attempt to do this living room. I am in love. Ah! I am freaking in love. I don't have the, as I said, I don't have the pillows yet, so that's not gonna work, but let's replace this. This, I think I still want to put the my Whitney Houston book underneath. You don't really see it, but okay, I'll leave it and I'll put it underneath here. Alright, so yeah, back. Okay, so I forgot I had this thingy, so let's try to jazz this place up a little bit. Y'all, I have exactly 1 hour before I'm done for the day, because I have a date to watch 90 Day Fiance. So I gotta watch 90 Day Fiance. So this I'm gonna put underneath this little placemat. This is gonna go in here. This that holds the remotes. Okay. And my bouquet. So that's that. This Hello Autumn sign, I'm thinking that I'm gonna put it here. And if I hang it here, okay, maybe not this sign. No, man. I really don't know about the Hello Autumn side. I don't know. Maybe I should put it on this side. Let's see it. The rest of the pillows, they'll come in and they'll add a little pop of color, but I like that for now. I don't know if it's giving what it's supposed to be giving, but yeah, that's that for now. Then I think the Thankful Pumpkin can go. I think the Thankful Pumpkin can go in there. And then definitely the candle bit. Like, tell me! Y'all are not even seeing. Tell me this is not giving what it's supposed to be giving. Like, tell me it's not giving your girl what it's supposed to be giving your girl. Let me go for the lights. I'm here for it. Are you guys here for it? Okay, yeah. So I think I like the little Thankful Pumpkin. So that's, and then the candle. And what else do we have? Okay, so this candle now. What I was gonna do for it is, if this thing will come off, I'm gonna soak this off and then decorate it with the stickers, and then put this in the bathroom. So the concept is to basically like get these window cling, like window stickers, and then like on the candle. so it adds like to, you know, the candle holder. It just, yeah. So that's basically what it was that I wanted to do with that. So I'll decorate that and then I'll put it in the bathroom, and then I'll leave the pumpkin spice one out here. The only thing I wish that I had, which I do have, hold on, let me just switch it from here. There's a candle holder. Like how I have my glue gun on right now. Let me just glue gun this together. So you guys, just a regular vase and a little like candle holder bowl. And there you have your own DIY candle holder. So now my candle can go on that. Yeah, yeah. So let's put this here. Wait till it glued up, don't follow me. You know, I really want it to be centered. So let's leave it there. And that's that. And then the little pumpkin. Oh, and then what I wanted to do, guys. Let me see if I can. So this is the little link thingy that I want to have. Kind of like, like either it can go around something like this or whatever, but I kind of want it like hanging, you know, like off there. If you guys can kind of see what I'm talking about. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm speaking about, but yeah. But I'm gonna spray paint it gold, and then it's gonna look like that little like link chain decor that everybody's trying to like have in their home. Although the black kind of goes with the Halloween thingy, you know. But that's currently what we're looking like. I love it! With the little pumpkin thing at the bottom and whatever. So yeah, painting is gonna go up and pillows are gonna come, and then the living room should be together. I love it. I need some new lamps and stuff and whatever, but don't worry, you guys. Lickle. Surely, lickle. Everything will be good. So I think this is it for the living room. I'm gonna put some of the pumpkins once I paint them over here and stuff. So we'll have that. So that's that for the living room. The tray I will put in my bedroom now. And then yeah. And I don't even know if I want to keep this in here. I might keep it in here and then move it out like when a lot of people start to come. But I'll leave it in here for like the first few people for when they get in here to see whatever. But it's so cute. I'm gonna spray paint this ASAP so that I can add it in. I'll be back. Hey guys, so outside now on the balcony, about to do this DIY. I'm gonna spray paint the chain. So that's one part down. When it's dry, I'll flip it over and I'll do the other side, and then we'll be good to go. Bye, battery died. I'll see you guys tomorrow and Monday. Bye. Oh, it's the lighting for me. Anyways, hi guys, and welcome to Monday. It's Monday, and I just got back. Don't mind the house, okay, you guys? The house is still somewhat in a mess, but we're getting there. We're getting there. We're 5 days away from Thanksgiving. Yeah, we're 5 days away from Thanksgiving. Oh my God, I got updates to show you guys. But in regards to the crafting, how you guys like my Monday outfit for work? Let me show you guys a little bit. You know, I feel cute today. And my bum looks good. Oh my God, and my shoes are here now. I can wear my stuff to work. So yeah, guys, anyways, back to the main attraction. So I'm gonna do a quick little haul with you guys. I got a package today. I'm super excited for this package, you guys, because it has a lot of my fall, like start to my fall looks in here. Yes, so shout out, if you guys are not following me on Instagram, stop what you're doing right now and go follow me on Instagram. ZOESH 3 A's. Holla at your girl. Go like my pictures, share my reels, all of that stuff. Go show me some love and go support your girl. You know what I'm saying? Come say hi properly, ma. Where's my box cutter?
That's a vlogger, man. I cook paper, see, as in a can meticulously scrutinize. I cook some corned beef, yeah? Yeah, it was the one.
Today is Monday. Joel is just rushing the day. Joel is just rushing the days. Today he messaged me at work about, the week soon done. The week done. Sir, it's Monday. Make it make sense. Anyways, guys, so I got some good stuff in here. I'm not even gonna lie. Can you guys guess where it's from? All the time I've been nearly frightened. No, because I was about to say, what the hell? But the only time my boxes are ever this big, one please. But, okay. Oh my gosh, okay. I'm not gonna put, should I just show it to you guys?
Yeah.
Okay, hubby says yes, so, okay. This is the first thing that I got. It's this like backless turtleneck, and it's green because I got my little green. By the time this goes up, you guys would have seen my little Tory. Hear about Tory. Speaking my Tory merch into existence. My what is something called? Feels like it's gonna be a little tight, but got this to match my Teddy Blake bag. Kind of feels a little tight, but we'll figure it out. We'll make it work. But yeah, you know, I still want to be cute in the fall. I don't want everything just to be choke up and look up in me, you know what I mean? So I got that. Oh, I got this as a work shirt. Yes, I got some work clothes because I need some work clothes. Yeah, like this with even the leather pants, because I plan to get, like, you guys, I plan to be in faux leather all fall long. I already have my green one. I have these two joggers, this one, the brown, and I also have the leather shorts, but I want to get some of the fitted ones, the ones that have the cutout in the front, all of that kind of stuff. Like, I love faux leather. It's so easy to maintain. Everything will run off of it, wash off of it, like, it's easy, looks good, but it doesn't look like tights. You get what I'm saying? Like, I'm over the tights look, like, yeah, I'm over the tights look. Ooh, okay. These are my mules. I got these as like work shoes. Yeah. I got these as like work shoes. Yeah. So like my toes are covered. Oh, you know, I should have got the 10. But I'm still warm. You know? But I really feel like I should have got the 10. This is a 9, I think. Oh, I hope that means that my boots are not going to be close. Let's get back to the good stuff. Let's get back to the good part. Huh? It's the sound. What's this? Oh! These are the main attraction. I ain't even gonna show these to you guys just yet. We gotta wait for that. Yeah. I don't know, guys. I love the little are my black ones over here? The little fake Balenciaga looking, or like Balenciaga type shoes.
Yeah.
Mine are fake. I got these ones and I wore them to death. Yeah, I wore them to death. So these are the pink ones, but like boot form or whatever. So I got that too.
Yeah, I spent so much $1,000 on that shoes. I look exactly.
Exactly.
Yes, man. I want that one Balenciaga.
I do too. I really do.
Want that one of every one of them. I'm not gonna lie, that's up. I you to me.
Oh yes.
I beat them, you know?
Love this. Freeze. Bag them tink. This is another work shirt, but I could also wear it first and then wear it to work. But this is this. The next thing that I got is my own jacket. I have been waiting for my trench coat.
Bye.
You guys, for forever.
But baby, oh, in person, I'm gonna see for the picture different. No more of them kind of thing. Them not one of them man like them.
Didn't I show it to you?
Yeah, more on the brown too. Alright, black, you go black.
Ooh.
When I run the black, boom, make it look different. Like a Europe. That's why the rich Italian mama.
Yes. Ooh, I didn't even need to look anywhere else.
Yeah, like we need a class look. I'm not choosing my wife. I'm not going to. I choose. You look good with that there.
It could have been
Tighter? No, baby, perfect.
not tighter. Oh no.
Have a classy look.
I could have probably won a size up, maybe not. I feel like it's fine. I don't know, maybe is it supposed to be like, well, me I have hips, so nothing is ever gonna really close like straight down for me. Everything is always gonna have a little open. So yeah, you know what I'm saying. But I love it. I really want like a jacket, like a trench jacket. So like, you know, even like going to work and stuff like that, like when I want to wear my cardigans and stuff, like it's long enough to cover it where I'm not have to tie up my cardigans like I normally do now or anything like that, and wear like a shorter jacket. I have a long one. I want to get a black, I want to get a gray, I want to get a printed one, and yeah. So yeah, to fall. Hello. What is? Oh. Oh, this is my bodysuit. People, when I say the fall looks, baby, are coming. This is my one shoulder bodysuit. You know, just a regular bodysuit, but yeah, girl, I want one of them, yeah. Yeah, just to look like, you know, yeah. Girl have shape right through winter, summer, spring, fall. Girl can look good. And a sweatpants alone you feel wear now fall. Who tell her that? Alright, so I'm gonna get that. And then you guys, I'm so irritated. I ended up getting 2 of these. Duh. Fall you wear layers, but you don't have to wear tick. The layers be thick. So yeah, I got this as well. It's another bodysuit, but a shorts one, because you know fall you have the long heels and stuff, the long boots and stuff. I'm gonna have a nice boots when I know, so I already want to wear this. So I ended up getting 2, so I can wear one to death this year, and then have one for next year if I don't end up giving my sister one. The other one. So I got that. And then I got this skirt. I got this skirt. I don't know if it's gonna fit me because I should have read the description. It's not stretch at all. Oh, this go. People, I'll insert a picture. I don't know how it go, but it's supposed to be like a one-sided skirt. Anyway, zebra print. Zebra print is my favorite print in the whole wide world, you guys. It's not just because it starts with the letter Z, but that's a plus. But I love me a good zebra, cheetah. Is it cheetah or leopard? The one that has the bigger spots.
Leopard.
And cow. Oh my god. This was a 2-piece? I didn't know this was a 2-piece. This could really be my Thanksgiving fit. Okay. I did not know that this was a 2-piece. It's a top. And then the leather. The faux leather dress.
Like it's short.
Yeah, babe, it's not supposed to
In
cover
terms
everything.
of not really come and not gonna fit you.
No, it's gonna fit me.
Oh, it's stretchy, yeah.
Yeah, okay, guys. So when I put this on, you guys will see. But this could literally be my Thanksgiving fit. I was just thinking the dress. I never knew that it came together.
Oh,
wow.
Extra.
Wow. And it was only $11. I won't forget that. It was only $11. Okay, so that's that. Ooh, this dress. This is the main attraction. My knit zebra dress. Oh my god, you guys, I can't wait to fucking put this on. Excuse my French. Excuse my French, but you guys, as I said, I'm obsessed with zebra. And it's brown. Oh, it's such a beautiful chocolate brown. Jeez!
This is brown.
You guys see my theme? Like browns, nudes. That's kind of the vibe. That's kind of what I'm feeling. Like, you know? What is this? Oh, I got a faux leather. I got a neck jacket. Oh, but...
I believe that's the thing I'm gonna walk up on them.
Yeah, so clearly this ain't gonna close for me, but it's still a cute jacket. With the sides cut out. Or maybe, can it adjust? I guess I can close it if I really want to. But yeah, that's basically what it looks like, guys. Unapologetic. Oh, I love it. It's cute. It's giving the girls, baby, with a cute little like dress, like a knit dress over. My last thing, you guys, is a shoes. I was so excited when I seen these because I seen these on Amazon and I almost bought them. But I'm still gonna buy one that I see in the heel version because it's in a color that I'm just like in love with, but the price I'm not. But
my favorite, man. What's one other thing?
Got these babies.
Man.
You know.
Right,
Let's see how to put them.
Can I wear a trench coat, you know?
Yeah.
Boy, imagine you look different. Some European style. Some wild boy.
But everybody said it was really hard to go on.
You got to the eye tight.
Hold on, guys. I'll be right back.
Yeah. Oh, yes.
Babe, what not going there? There has to be a way, but they're going on. That's it for me. Then the people them.
So that big, but I'm not coming like I wait to the whole life now, boss. Quite so big. Winter jacket, that.
Peep to them. Oh yeah, babe.
That feel good, but that coming like you can wear for winter.
No. But this will keep you good for now.
That's a winter top. That's not good enough.
He hates when I try on his clothes first.
Exactly. And you mean to try on my clothes to me already?
Babe, come. Try on. You not do it that? You not do it pan live?
Exactly. At least that show once. Yo, I'm fur. What's the argument sitting like that and play the part in a live?
Watch the black.
That can't buy one. That's your fur inside, people. Yo, it feels good, baby.
See the large fits.
If I made them, it would fit.
Boom, boom.
Yeah. Imagine a man.
And that you go wear?
What do you mean?
Area, you're frightened?
A fan bike to wear your work in a
You're
fan.
frightened Friday? Oh my god, it looks so, you just look so different. It's so weird seeing you in like hooded stuff. First fall jacket. First fall anything.
True, you know? First fall. My first fall, man, I wear my first fall outfit. Yo, it feel good, babe. I actually love it.
Anyways, guys, I'll be back with, oh, let me show you guys actually before I go. The wreath! It's not fully done yet, you guys, but I worked on it last night while I was watching 90 Day Fiance.
I don't feel good, man.
So this is what we're looking like.
Hey,
So,
man, have this in Toronto.
does it?
Maple leaf.
Oh,
Oh, more people, I never see this.
I put some pine cones and a pumpkin.
Yeah, I'm sure
Can
that
it-
leaf too. Leaf, maple.
Sure.
Canada is nice.
Bumbo. I put some pine cones and a pumpkin on it as well, so I'm gonna finish it. I gotta make the initial, the letter T, figure out what I'm gonna do with it. I also spray painted, as you guys would have seen, the
Chain.
link thingy. I gotta just do maybe like another coat or whatever. But yeah, that's what we're looking like, y'all. It's fall.
First one.
Whatever. Peace. Hi guys, don't mind the TV in the background. We're watching ID at the same time, but I'm working. So I'm about to make this hear about Christmas. Make this sign for Thanksgiving. I want it to go on the wall where the dinner table is gonna be. It's gonna say give thanks. So I want to make that. So that's currently what I'm about to do. I'll throw up a little inspo that I seen on Pinterest on here, but I'm not exactly doing it like that. But I kind of want some sort of wall decor. And I was thinking balloons, but I'm like, not for Thanksgiving. It's kind of a little bit tacky. Maybe if it was like Friendsgiving, sure, but it's not. So, although it's friends and family giving, but still, no. So I'm super excited because the yeah, so I can block that out. Look here, know yourself, yeah. Oh, super excited about how this is gonna come out because I feel like I am actually taking the time to do everything, and I've done so much so far. So yeah, I don't feel like it's gonna be all on me last minute. And as I said, I have help this year. I don't think I said it, but I have help this year. You know, I'm not doing it by myself. So I already accomplished a lot because basically everything we bought that we need for food, it's just a matter of whatchamacallit, getting the other two big things, the biggest things, the turkey and the ham. But that's light. So yeah, really excited. Oh, it's cutting it twice. Perfect. And I just finished an order. Let me show you guys because I absolutely love the color combo. So it's actually for one of my supporters. It's her friend's birthday. So I made this color changing cup. Her name is Shalene. That's pretty. And the stemless wine glass. No, I don't really see good, but yeah. So she's coming for that tomorrow. Yes. Yes, this is gonna look so nice. The font alone is so nice. Oh, thank God for cutting machines. Like, look at that G. Oh, baby. Okay, I'm gonna start this and then I will come back to you guys. Not distraction me.
Sabi girl no dey too like talk. Animals stay in human form. Body man nobody like talk, but you must hustle if you want job. If no finish, they won't fight us. If them they run, them no fit catch up. I know they form say I too like us. No con they form say you too like us. You no get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady green like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want, telling me. Cooking on my fantasy. You want to check if my daddy no wrong. But it is rush, my way, it be much. I'm gonna make my talk, it is rush. The kind money we got, yeah. It is rush, my way, it be much. To be hype, everybody grow.
Yeah, people, so.
Hey guys, we did a bad job vlogging this week, but
No, we're busy.
sorry, yeah,
busy
but
week.
it's Friday, and we are currently at Freshco.
You know?
Came to pick up some other stuff.
Thanksgiving has
Sorry,
been
let me
with
not
the-
take it away because then
No,
I'm gonna
no,
say
I
I'm
take
the
it.
boss.
No, no. I'm a boss.
Them are gonna send me a take over. I'm gonna make you do this. I'm gonna make you do that. Anyways, so Thanksgiving shopping.
Yeah, Thanksgiving weekend.
Thanksgiving dinner is tomorrow.
So we're back here, people. We're back at everything.
Everything. Sorry.
Meticulously scrutinized it.
Even though this is not Pacific, we're using a Pacific bag.
I don't care because I got Pacific.
Ooh. I wonder if I should get these.
Them they look soft and nice. Dinner roll. Get them, man. People eat them, we'll find out.
Let's get a cart.
Oh, yeah. I'm coming to the quarter then. Show the other one there. Eat quarter.
Is it 25 cents? I think I have change.
I'm going to say you are the
What is
quarter
the
lady. Yeah, we did one. We did a wee, bro.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. Yeah, people. Winter is on, so I get my pullover, you know. Time cold. Wind chiller going, wind shield.
Babe, you pick my loony?
Yeah, people. As you see, now we use a coin to activate the cards, you know. A quarter, where I get back a quarter. The thing them they are going to take a quarter, but I realize that you get it back when you're left, you know. So. Welcome to Canada, you know. Fresh cut.
Okay, let me pick up two.
Yeah.
2 and 2 are 5. That's more than enough.
Then rolls, you know. We find more for them. Take on the soft, you know, pick, choose and refuse.
But I'm gonna get some Parmesan cheese and some garlic for it.
Yeah,
Give
Perry.
me this. But yeah, block up the place. Okay, where's your list? Guys, be right back. Because when Joel come in at the place, him get confused and him don't know left from right, right from left. So let's just figure out what we need to come in here and get.
I have the list in my brain and in my phone.
Whatever, anyways, let's figure out what we're gonna get and then we'll come back, okay? Be right back.
Over just pick up pie. Apple pie, never lie. You say, you know, be a people, you know them.
See, pecan. I want to have different kinds.
See, crumbling.
No, this is lemon.
Yeah, but a crumbling, I love things with lemon.
I don't want this though. I want the apple crumble.
Yeah, I want for just go on and love lemon cake. I get to realize. Motherfucker, yeah, I get what me want. Here, zero.
Apple crumble. Oh, okay, babe. So which other one should I get? Can I just have 4 pies? You can just have 4 different pies.
Anyone you pick them,
Yeah,
babe?
but what's the last one? There's cherry, there's blueberry, strawberry,
Cherry one look bad enough.
and there's pecan. Should we have like a nutty one?
Try it now. Go
I
on.
don't know if people really like pecan pie. I feel like
Exactly.
people do.
Take it then if you want.
I don't know. Wow, this is a peach crumble. I would try the peach. Okay, so peach, pumpkin, apple crumble. The pecan, nah, like the pecan looks very pecan-y.
Self-checkout vehicle. Cash yourself, huh? Over there, cash yourself. Scan.
Hi guys, it's 11:14. It's 11:14. I'm currently in the kitchen. My ham is going. I'm about to make my potato salad. I just put the potatoes in, and I'm about to find the macaroni for the pasta salad. Ooh. Anyways, let me do a quick little haul, show you what we got while I try to find the items that I'm looking for. So there's this platter thingy that I'm trying to make where it looks like a turkey or something. I'll insert a picture of like the inspiration and see if it comes out how I want it to get. I need peppers for the salad, cheese for the baked mac and cheese, juice, because what's in November, you know, drinks. This is for the same turkey thing that I'm talking about. Stuffing. I'm not even showing you guys. Crackers for the turkey thing that I'm showing you guys. I mean, that I want to make. I need to hurry up and find these freaking... Oh, I know where they are. Another thing of soda, some more crackers. I'm excited to try these actually. What is it? Cracked pepper and olive oil. Excited. Tomatoes and pomegranate. Okay, that's that. Found the pasta. Back to the haul. This is a big bag of meat. I'm just gonna leave that in the sink. Next up, okay, I got some half and half for my macaroni, some mini bok choy for my chow mein. I got this pear for the turkey thingy that I want to make. Some tomatoes for the salad. Scallion. My favorite basmati rice in the whole wide world. Pearl. Pearl is my girl. And some pumpkin, because we're making some pumpkin rice. Everything is on theme, okay? So pumpkin for the pumpkin rice. Anytime, I don't mind, I don't mind. Bum bum bum, bum bum bum. I'm drinking my gun for you. I'm fucking the gun for you. We go up tonight. You know you're addicted to a song when I'm just saying. Okay, Okay, we got some eggs. Oh my god. Let me just actually put these in that little egg container. Yeah, I know guys, I'm holding the egg all wrong. It was already in the bag wrong, so whatever. And then I picked up a couple bags more of my favorite seasoning. Garlic, pepper, and herbs. The bomb. Don't say I never told you guys. I try to share as much with you guys as I possibly know. You know what I'm saying? It's just up to you guys if you guys want to take the links or not. But I share. I share. But I share. Next up, picked up some buns. Picked up some dinner rolls. I'm gonna spread some garlic spread. Let me just make sure I have it. Spread some garlic spread on it and some Parmesan cheese. Bake those and yum yum yum, delicioso. I can't see anything in my fridge right now. I don't know if I have the garlic spread. If I don't have it, I will pick it up tomorrow. Whatever. Picked up this because anybody got time to be cutting a salad, okay? Okay? Anybody got time to be cutting up lettuce leaves all the time? So, this is what I always get. This is what I will always end up making anyways. Red lettuce, spinach, all of them stuff in it. So, picked up a little spring mix. Yeah? Just gonna, as I said, put the tomatoes and peppers and all of them fandangos there on it. This I got for the little turkey thing that I want to make. This is a cucumber for the salad. And Mr. Tingling picked up some banana chips. So let me put these away also. Yo, question. Are people still like washing their bags and stuff like that, like when they come from the grocery store? Are people still doing it? Cause I can't really tell you the last time. I did it when I was in Jamaica, I'm not gonna lie. When I was in Jamaica and I got stuck, I did do it. Not gonna lie. But apart from that, I got those things going right now. I want to kind of get those things out of the way. And tomorrow, what do I have to do? Tomorrow, I don't have to do anything. I'm not doing anything tomorrow. So yeah, guys, that is what's up for now. I will check in when a little bit more is taking place. But currently, that's what's up. Let me show you guys the pots. I forgot this was turned on, so it's taking a little bit longer. Let me stir it little. I love these macaronis. What are they called? Scooby-Doos. I love the Scooby-Doos. Ital pasta. You gotta taste it. Open up your mouth. Give yourself some flavor. Ital pasta. To taste the flavor tonight. Something like that. That's how the song goes. I loved it. Anyways. So yeah. My Scooby-Doos. This is funny. My potato pie is bubbling. I don't want to lose my earphone in this freaking thing. So that's going on. I'm going to wait till they're just a little bit more soft. I don't want them to be too soft because this is not for mashed potatoes. This is for potato salad. So I don't want it to be too soft. But I don't want it to be too tough where we're biting into rocks. And then obviously I have too much water in here, but oh sorry, I have too much water in this pot, but as I was saying before I was rudely interrupted by the heat or the steam. Oh y'all, don't mind the stove, okay? We're cooking. Yeah, I have too much water in here, but I'm just gonna make them go and do their thing. It's, yeah, they don't really need to be in there too long. They don't really need to cook. They just really are thawing out. And yeah, so yeah, that's what's going on. I'm excited. I feel like I'm actually missing a bag, guys. This is actually kind of like the most ghettoest Thanksgiving, but hey, here we are, and we move and we pivot and we do what we gotta do, right? Yeah, exactly. Be right back. Because I was just about to say, I don't know how the hell I'm making all of these salads and stuff like that, and I don't got no freaking mayonnaise. So mayonnaise. For dessert, I want to have like a pie bar, basically. So I picked up a pumpkin pie, or yeah, a pie bar. I picked up a pumpkin pie. And then I picked up an apple crumble, and I feel like I want to go back and just pick up 2 more. They had a strawberry rhubarb, they had a cherry, they had a lemon crumble, they have a peach crumble, so I'm kind of thinking I want to pick up the peach crumble and maybe like just and maybe like a cherry, you know, and then a box of like ice cream, and that will be dessert. I like options. I like variety. I like that. You know what I mean? I'm the hostess with the mostest. I don't really care. It's once a year. It is what it is. I need to make, what I'm going to do is make some, I was going to do cupcakes, but I don't think I'm going to do it anymore. So, what I was going to do was make cake toppers or pie toppers for the pies. Basically just cute little labels that say like what each pie is, because they're not going to be in the box. So I think I'm going to do that. I did want to make baby's shirt, so I think I need to print out the stuff for that and find the vinyl for that, which I don't know where that stuff is right now. So I gotta figure all of that out, but I think I'm gonna do that while I have the energy and I'm up and stuff like that, because I can't leave everything for tomorrow. This table was supposed to be cleaned off so that I could have gone ahead and like done what I need to do. I need to make the balloon garland. I need to, yeah, I have stuff to, like, there's so much things to do. There's so much things to do. But I'm gonna finish, or yeah, move on to something else. So when there's more to show you guys, I will show y'all. And we picked up a case of water. Okay. Wow, good morning, guys. Top of the morning. Yeah, it's it's freaking 7:14 in the morning. Wow, okay, I made it to Walmart at 7:14. So yeah, that's where I'm at. I'm right at Walmart. Right at Walmart's door. Walmart opens at 7 o'clock, and I am her. So let's go finish getting what we need to get and get home, okay? I went to bed at 1:30. My eyes were shutting down after the ham. I'm gonna bun up the ham liquor. But just not really the ham, more so like the pineapple and stuff like that. But it's still hamming. It's still hamming. So got a couple more things to pick up. I gotta go here, and I also gotta go to Metro. And yeah, that should be it. I like, hold on. Yeah, that should be it. So let's go to Walmart. Y'all, it's early and it's freezing. I was just driving in pitch black. When did it get so light outside? So guys, I needed apple cider juice. Hold on. Let's see. Sweet apple cider. Okay. I need it to make a drink. So let me get 2. Yeah. Hope that recorded, but if not, anyways, finished up at Walmart, heading to Metro. Y'all, I left my money at home. Like, I left my freaking debit card, other debit card that I was using, at home. My cash, everything is at home. But anyways, let's see. Metro near me. Okay, guys. Heading to Metro. I will talk to you guys when I get to Metro. Hey guys, so update. I had got a car for my cousin for the weekend, and I got the wrong car, so I'm here at the car shop. Whoa, my battery's dying. But anyways, I'm here at the car shop, changing the cars. So pushing dinner back from 4 to 6, and yeah. You guys, this is where we're at. Oh my god, okay. So the turkey, yum yum yum, delicioso. Everything I'm gonna show you guys afterwards. The battery needs to charge, but Mario just came and put up my painting. Oh my god, it looks so freaking good. So here's just a quick little preview of the house, you guys. It's looking really fallish. You know what I'm saying? I got my candle burning and everything. Look how my DIY rope thingy turned out, you guys. Don't tell, you cannot tell me I did not spend how much odd money. But anyways, really quickly, okay, I'm gonna show you guys more, but oh my god, okay, bye. Okay, guys, before the food looks ugly, let me just show you the tablescape. Yes, sir. Hello? Thanksgiving 2022. And this is what. What? No. No, I said 4 to begin with, so everybody should have been like, all right, 2 hours extra to chill, cool. Anyways, this is what we're doing. Right. Yeah, you're getting ready at 6. And the time was 4. Yeah, I know. Okay. Hi. Say hi.
Camera shot.
Are we ready now? Is everybody ready?
Oh, okay, I'm on the wrong side?
Yeah, I get black in.
Prayer warrior is gonna lead us in prayer.
Really? Okay, so girl. Really?
Okay.
Now we pray long one because we're hungry.
I can't deal.
Dear God, I want to thank you for today. Thank you for everyone here. Please bless the food and the persons who prepared it. Have mercy upon us and please guide us on our way home. Again, thank you for everyone here. Bless this food. Amen.
Amen. All right. Plates are there. Napkins are there. Forks are there. Everything is there. Help yourself.
Say hi.
What's up, Chunks? You didn't want to get your food first?
No.
Okay.
I do have some water. Do you have water?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yes, please. Nice.
Oh, you're so quiet. Babe, turn on your thing now. Yeah.
Say hi. Are you hungry?
Oh man, I need my light. It's Mr. Biggs himself. What you need, I got that. Anything you want, 5 or 10. What you need, I got that. Anything you want, 5 or 10. Oh, sorry.
That's Spotify.
Sorry. Oh, okay, yes. I'll leave everything in the on the screen and in the description box.
Yep.
All right. Anyways, I'm gonna share, soon come. Thanksgiving 2022.
Thankful for life, that is so good.
My family, 2 beautiful daughters.
Ooh.
The missus.
Okay.
Empress, the balance.
Oh, you mean? All right, I like that. Darren, you want to go next? Okay, who's next? Who's next? Babe, stop egg people out in the radar. Just make things happen, the man. Walk there, man. Sure. Kamisha?
My friends and my family.
All right. Who's next?
Nobody knows.
You want to go next? Okay.
All right. How you mean? All right, mommy.
Yes. I am thankful for another year. I understand. My birthday is amazing.
Happy early birthday.
Grateful for good family and friends.
Amen.
My birthday coming up. Libra.
Oh Lord. Yeah, Libra and Scorpio time. Yes. I did ask if everyone was finished writing.
Okay, so basically.
Faster.
So I'm thankful for everything I got. It's a blessing.
I?
Like,
Oh. Okay.
kids.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm just happy that someone believed in me. God did.
I was waiting for it. Something was coming. Something had to come. Yeah, something had to come. It couldn't be William if there was no punchline. All right. Rubello.
I'm thankful for
Nova.
my life, for my family, my children, my hubby, for my family and my extended family.
What?
Family, and that I'm alive, and that I'm with my family right
Yeah.
Ah. Thanks. Well, if I have wife and husband for thankful for though, I love that for no. Everybody thankful for wife, life, husband, Pitney, Ray. But me alone I put life, me alone I put them someday. So it look like me have to go.
Something that you do every spring.
Cleaning?
Cleaning, spring cleaning?
Ride a bike? Next.
How do you describe yourself? Like your friend. That was a good one.
Amazing.
No.
Great. Loyal.
No.
Special. Nice. Sweet. Honest. Caring. Loving. Next.
Authentic. Let's go.
Okay.
Next one. Was it?
Nobody would have ever
Okay,
guessed that
do
one.
this one now. Let's hear this.
Come, the timer. Come.
Something that you do in Memphis, in the US.
Oh,
Right up for that one. This guy went deep for that one.
Not right in the wall.
You watch too much. You watch too much.
Wait, hello, hog. Beep, beep. It's Mario's beats for me. Beep, 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 beep.
What is that? In August, we listened to
Soca.
Wrong one.
in the summertime we have party. Fun. Okay.
Fake. Another word for fake.
False.
Oh. No.
For fake?
Yeah.
False.
Yeah, keep going.
Phony. Fraud.
What do you guys
Non-fiction. Non-fiction.
Skip it.
What?
Skip it.
What's in the word?
Second thing you do when you wake up.
Stretch.
See, we're on the same page.
You quiet.
Damn. It's not a ship.
Summary.
Yacht. Bombat.
Up, sky. Heaven.
No.
Jaja. Ja. Rastafari.
It's in a house.
Roof. Ceiling. Ahem.
Walls.
Anyways, guys, morning after Thanksgiving. Do not mind how I stay. Like, do you guys
Mash up.
mash up? But we are here trying to get something in our bellies. We're still giving thanks. It's still Thanksgiving. This is the aftermath. The goat was done. Fried chicken was done. Turkey basically done. Ham is basically, you know, halved and everything. Babe can't stop talking about Thanksgiving. Me hear this man and I talk to him mother. Him just
Jamaica need. You hear of them checks?
yeah. No, I that wait me. I never hear the full conversation before I wake up and hear you know. But yeah, he had a time. Everybody had a time. Everybody. Yeah.
You know, it has more concept than Christmas. Christmas is a good time too.
Thanksgiving is one of my favorite holidays.
It has more concept in terms of thanks.
Right. That's why I made everybody do the cards. That's why I made everybody do the cards because I wanted everybody to remember like.
Go ahead.
No, but I had the idea. We just found the cards.
Yeah, it makes sense. No, don't have the same ideas.
But yeah, it's a time
everybody
to
around with them thankful for Ray, which is good because gratitude, you know.
It's a must.
Gratitude open doors to more things happen.
That too.
I get more opportunities.
That too. So we're here trying to clean up and organize, find space for things. And yeah. And eat as well. Oh babe, can you just oh, okay.
Look how turkey people. Let's say turkey eat. This was a big sickness, so you know, whole eye breast.
You guys, we did this on our own. Yeah. He's not really a turkey man.
The chicken breast, the two breasts especially. I'm looking at that.
Yeah, because I made it. That's why I made the announcement. I'm like, Mario, the breasts are yours. And the buns we have without garlic.
Chinese food.
You can still keep it, babe. Don't throw it away. I don't really know what I got yesterday. Forgive me because I feel like a lot of these first holidays and stuff are gonna be weird to be captured because I'm just trying to be in the moment.
Oh yeah,
I'm just trying to be in the moment. Yeah, and just try to make sure like
everybody
is good. You get what I'm saying? And I didn't have anybody to kind of host for me. I was the host, so.
And if you have a set of the camera and I catch that, left it pipe make you run.
And then even then, still, it's not gonna be great because you're not gonna get all the angles. You're not really gonna see anything. You still kind of have to be, you know. It was Dave's first Thanksgiving. I just have to do that, but.
Very, very first.
We'll still have more Thanksgiving festivities because my cousin's having a dinner today, so we're gonna stop by there more than likely. It's a long weekend. When I stop by, they're begging me to bring the taboo because everybody's in love with taboo now. For Christmas, I'm going to ask for some games so that we have more stuff to play and stuff.
Yeah, like family game. I like it.
And you know the funny thing is, guys, all of my family or everybody that I invited didn't come. So can you imagine if everybody came?
Nobody, no rejection of one I invite.
Yeah, some people didn't come. That's all right. And give us a couple years. I'll have my entertainment section in my house where I can host everybody. And yeah, it's gonna be a time. But I appreciate everybody that was able to make it yesterday, that came out and had a great time. Thank you. Yeah, it was really good. It was a really good turnout. Anyways, guys, just make sure my stuffing and my cranberry sauce is in mine, okay? Yeah, can I get a knife for my apple? Yeah. So guys, people man, plate number, what is this, number 4? But number 1 at house number 2. So we're at my cousin's house for Thanksgiving. 2.0 for us. But yeah, they have a lot too, like, wow. Lasagna. Babe told me not to do it. Oh, the shepherd's pie is gone. Samosas. I don't know what kind of a gravy thing that is. This is like chicken biryani. I can't even remember how to pronounce it. The smoked turkey, fried dumpling, stuffing, veg, salad. Baby, want salad? You want salad?
Yeah, you're not putting a separate bowl.
Okay. Just put in a separate bowl. Like, all right, no problem. I got you.
On my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Try to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. You come around like it's shady, then I see you.
Yes, guys. Plate number 2 for me. Literally, plate number 2 for me. But yo, the shepherd's pie. Oh my gosh. Yum yum yum, delicioso. Happy Thanksgiving.
Wearing my nails look. I feel myself in the zone. You're nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're trying to stars outside. What's the reason why?